Dear students, I am P. Madhura, lecturer in physics, in continuation of video lectures. Now, I'll explain the working of a nuclear reactor. Very important. Now, in this nuclear reactor is an arrangement in which the nuclear fission reaction takes place in a controlled manner. We call it as nuclear reactor. And first, in these various parts we got in the nuclear reactor, first nuclear fuel is used. Nuclear fuel is uranium-235 or uranium-233 or plutonium is used as nuclear fuel. And then inside the nuclear reactor, this fuel is kept in aluminum cylinders. Now in this, the nuclear fission reactions takes place in a controlled manner. Now that fission reaction can be initiated with the help of stray neutrons or neutrons from any reaction is allowed to bombard. Then the once fission reaction starts here, first you have to control the number of neutrons. For that, control rods are used. Boron, cadmium, steel are used as control rods. So the control rods absorb the neutrons. And secondly, you have to slow down the fast moving neutrons. To slow down the fast moving neutrons, moderators are used. Heavy water and graphite are used as moderators. By careful adjustment of the control rods and by using moderator, the fission reaction inside the nuclear reactor can be kept under full control. Now, during fission reaction inside the nuclear reactor, lot of heat energy is liberated. So, to convert that heat energy into other forms of energies, first, the reactor is coolants are used. The reactor is surrounded by cold water. That is, cold water is circulated outside the nuclear reactor. Coolants like molten sodium is also used as coolant. Now, when this water is surrounded by, that is, water circulated through outside the nuclear reactor, thereby water converts to steam. Now, steam is connected to turbines, thereby electricity can be generated. So, this is the working of a nuclear reactor. And to prevent the dangerous radiations coming out of the nuclear reactor, the entire reactor is shielded with concrete or lead of 10-meter thickness. Now, what are the uses of this nuclear reactor? Nuclear reactor uses is to generate electricity, one use, and secondly, to produce radioisotopes also we use nuclear reactor. One example reaction I wrote here, because uranium-235 will be using in this nuclear as a nuclear fuel. Uranium-235 95 235 92 plus neutrons gives barium, krypton and 3 neutrons with the emission of 200 MeV energy. Okay, thank you.